Hello, it's Adrian Crawford and it's a Wednesday, so it's a Walkabout Wednesday, and the first one I've done since coming back off my holiday. And this afternoon I came back after lunch to see a real variety here, and that's what keeps me interested. Let me show you. As you know, our thing at Williams Crawford is that we deal with any type of Porsche, whatever age, whatever model, and our catchline really is with expertise and honesty. And you can see, just as I'm going through the camera, or turning the camera here, some interesting cars. And after lunch I came back in and I saw the line of modern Porsche here, looking lovely in the sun at the time. Some in for sale, some in for maintenance. And this little 60s Super 90 356, which gents recently purchased, and we're going to take a look over it. Our Graham is an expert on these, and you need a good bit of expertise with them. So our Graham will take care of that and give it an appraisal and work out what we do with it. Here's something else that's interesting. Just this C2S here that we've done the Fuchs wheels on, which was really nice. It's just so nice to see the variety. Oh, over here, let me go. This is a little car that I've been looking after for years now, and it's in here from a local chap. He'd had it restored before, and we're straightening out a few things. It's got some areas with it that will, by the time we give it back to the owner, it's going to be transformed. But one of my favourite of all time, 3.2 Carrera. So that's in for maintenance with our restoration. Now I'm going to take you into the service side. Now this is where all the hard work gets done, and this is where the sales cars get prepared. And we've got a really good team of guys here, and we prepare cars honestly and to a good standard. We also get cars in here that other people have supplied, and some of them are really, really disappointing. And it's such a shame. But there's several types of sellers. There's those that know what to look for and correct it. Those that don't know what to look for and do their best. And those that ignore what's wrong with the cars and just send them out. And in here, in restoration, this is a familiar face, little competition, lightweight competition car that we look after. Not so much noise in here today because Paul, our metal fabricator, is away, and Graham is putting finishing touches on a light restoration of this beauty. Are we there now, Graham? Is it all done? It's looking good. An oak green 930. Oh my lord. So we've had this car apart, not completely apart, and done a whole load of work to it, and we've repainted it. That's looking really nice. So that's one of the things that we can do, is restoration or repair to whatever level that you need. And we're pretty proud of that. Hang on a minute. What are we doing with that? So that was restoration and the service and maintenance. Now of course we'll be moving very soon. December the 1st we'll be in our new premises, and all this will be moved up there as well. We'll have twice as much room. We'll be able to display these beautiful cars in really lovely surroundings In the meantime, if you need anything for your Porsche, or you'd like to purchase a Porsche, then please give us a call. We're eager ears, we're here to please, and we can do the job really, really well. So until next time, it's Adrian Crawford, thank you for watching, and it's Williams Crawford, Walkabout Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of your week. Take care, bye-bye.